Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you some useful Telegram desktop tips and tricks that can help you use Telegram faster and more efficiently on your PC. First, use the search bar at the top to quickly find chats, contacts, groups, or old messages. This is one of the fastest ways to locate important conversations. Next, right-click on any message to edit it if you need to correct a mistake. You can also pin important messages so they stay at the top of the chat for easy access. Another useful trick is archiving chats. Right-click on a chat and choose Archive to keep your chat list clean and organized. If a chat sends too many notifications, right-click on it and use Mute Notifications. You can mute a chat temporarily or permanently. Open saved messages to store important notes, links, files, and reminders for yourself. It works like a personal cloud storage inside Telegram. For a more comfortable viewing experience, enable night mode from the main menu. This changes Telegram to a dark theme and is especially useful at night. Go to Settings and then Advanced to change the download path and manage how Telegram saves files on your computer. You can also open notifications and sounds to customize message alerts, notification sounds, and desktop notifications. Finally, check the version and updates section to make sure Telegram stays updated with the latest features and security improvements. These simple tips and tricks can make Telegram desktop much easier and more productive to use every day. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Telegram desktop tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.